Ready to conquer tax season without spending a dime? Are you tired of complicated tax software, hidden fees, and the nagging feeling that you might be missing out on valuable deductions or credits? What if I told you there's a way to file your taxes, completely free, with a user-friendly platform that helps you maximize your refund and provides peace of mind? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. For many, tax season brings a wave of dread. It's a yearly ritual that can feel overwhelming, complex, and frankly, expensive. Traditional tax preparation services can cost hundreds of dollars, and even some free online options come with strings attached, pushing you towards paid upgrades as soon as your situation gets even slightly complicated. But what if there was a genuinely free, intuitive, and powerful tool designed specifically to make tax filing stress-free and accessible to everyone? Enter Wealthsimple Tax. If you're a Canadian resident with a social insurance number, you're in luck. Wealthsimple Tax, formerly known as Simple Tax, has been a game-changer for millions of Canadians, making tax filing not just manageable, but dare I say, almost enjoyable. It's built on a pay-what-you-want model, which means you can literally pay nothing and still get access to all its features. Yes, you heard that right, absolutely free. But it's not just about the cost, it's about the simplicity, the accuracy, and the ability to file with confidence. Today, we're going to break down, step by step, exactly how to file your taxes using Wealthsimple Tax. We'll cover everything from gathering your documents to submitting your return to the Canada Revenue Agency, ensuring you don't miss a single detail. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's demystify tax filing together. First things first, let's address some common misconceptions and set the stage. Wealthsimple Tax is specifically for personal income tax returns, T1. It's incredibly robust and handles a wide range of situations, from simple employment income to self-employment, investments, rental properties, and more. However, it currently does not support corporate, T2, returns, trust, T3, returns, pre-bankruptcy returns, or certain complex forms like T2203 for business income in multiple jurisdictions or T1163/T1164 for agri-stability or agri-invest programs. For the vast majority of individuals, though, Wealthsimple Tax is perfectly capable. Now, before you even log in, the most crucial step is gathering your documents. Think of it like preparing ingredients before you start cooking. Having everything organized beforehand will save you a lot of time and headache. What do you need? Here's a comprehensive list of common documents you might need. Personal information, your social insurance number, SIN, date of birth, current address, and if applicable, your spouse's SIN and income information, and details for any dependents you'll be claiming. Income slips. T4, statement of remuneration paid. This is for employment income. You'll get one from each employer you worked for during the tax year. T4A, statement of pension, retirement, annuity, and other income. This covers various types of income not reported on a T4, such as pension payments, scholarships, bursaries, or self-employment income from certain sources. T4RIF, statement of income from a registered retirement income fund for income withdrawn from an RRIF. T4RSP, statement of RRSP income for income withdrawn from an RRSP. T5, statement of investment income for investment income like interest, dividends, and capital gains from non-registered accounts. T3, statement of trust income allocations and designations for income from mutual funds or other trusts. T2202, tuition and enrollment certificate. If you're a student, this slip will show your eligible tuition fees. T5007, statement of benefits for government benefits like workers' compensation or social assistance. RC62, universal child care benefit statement if you received UCCB. RL slips, Quebec residents. If you live in Quebec, you'll also receive RL slips for various income types. Deduction and credit documents. RRSP contribution slips, statements showing contributions you made to your registered retirement savings plan. Medical expense receipts, for eligible medical expenses not reimbursed by insurance. Child care expense receipts, if you paid for child care. Charitable donation receipts for donations made to registered charities. Union or professional dues, receipts for any eligible dues paid. Interest paid on student loans, annual statements from your loan provider. Moving expenses, if you moved for work or school. Home buyer's amount / first-time home buyer's tax credit, if you purchased your first home. Public transit pass amounts, for eligible public transit passes, though this credit has been phased out in some years, still good to check if applicable to your tax year. Eligible educator school supply tax credit, for teachers and early childhood educators. Employment expenses, if you have a T2200 form from your employer indicating you incurred expenses for your job. Rental income and expense records, if you own rental property, keep meticulous records of all income received and expenses incurred, mortgage interest, property taxes, repairs, utilities, etc. Self-employment income and expense records, for self-employed individuals, a detailed breakdown of all income and expenses, Form T2125. This includes home office expenses, vehicle expenses, supplies, professional fees, advertising, etc. It might seem like a lot, but taking the time to gather everything now will make the filing process incredibly smooth. Many of these slips are available digitally through your CRA My account or directly from your financial institutions and employers. Alright, with our documents in hand, let's get started with Wealthsimple Tax. Step 1. Create your Wealthsimple Tax account or log in. If you're already a Wealthsimple client for investing or banking, simply log into your existing Wealthsimple account. From your dashboard, you'll see a tax option. Click on it, and a tax account will automatically be opened for you. This integration is fantastic as Wealthsimple can often pre-populate information directly from your investment accounts with them. If you're new to Wealthsimple entirely, head over to the Wealthsimple Tax website. https://www.google.com/search?q=tax.wealthsignple.com. Click Get Started or Sign Up on the web. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once your basic account is set up, select Tax from the options presented. You'll then choose I'm new to filing taxes with you and follow the prompts to set up your tax profile. This involves providing your personal information like your name, date of birth, marital status, and, of course, your social insurance number. Step 2. Autofill your return with CRA My account. This is where Wealthsimple Tax truly shines and saves you a ton of time. Once you've created your account, the first thing you'll want to do is use the Autofill My Return feature. Wealthsimple Tax is NetFile certified, which means it can securely connect directly to the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, and pull in your tax information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.